Hi, this is Andy Doctor. If you install aftermarket head unit into your car, you may realize that the sound quality is not very good. It may not be very loud, and the quality is even worse. Well, this video is for you. Now, this is a Volvo XC90, but it could be any car as long as they have a Android head units. What you can do is you can install another amplifier into it. The head unit itself should have an amplifier built-in, but it may be rather weak. So this is an amplifier I already connected. It's super simple. By the way, this is the box, okay? And there is a diagram inside. And you see, according to the diagram, we have the amplifier and just one provided wire, and you just unplug the original wire to your head unit and then just do a switch. The menu, even though one page, is pretty good, and you actually can adjust some setting out here, front and back, and also bass. I did not change anything, just leave them as default. Of course, I will show you the comparison later on, but let me tell you this, it indeed works really well. So of course you say, hey, how can I get that machine? Well, you can get it from Amazon for something like under $40. I will give you a link in the description for you, so you don't need to search. And let me know, maybe happy surprise, and you will not complain about the audio quality anymore. And honestly tell you, when I sit inside the car, the difference is way bigger than in the video that you are going to see in the video took by my phone, by the way. So it really good and it really work. Now I did not show you how to do this from beginning to the end, because if you encounter this problem, that means you definitely already install your head unit, and it is good for any car with a Android head unit anyway. It's not just limited to XC90, so there's no point showing you how to do it from the beginning. So I think I'm done. I'm going to keep it, and the wires are a little bit messy. I need to put them back and put everything back. But again, I'm happy with it. And anyway, look at the comparison after this. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you could, please like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.